Namaste to all. Advanced KP Stellar Astrology online Zoom class. Starting date is 10/4/2024. That is April 10th. We are starting the online Zoom class. Basic qualification is the student should have some knowledge in basic astrology. Then only they have to easily to understand, because this is advanced KP stellar astrology. Therefore, if the student have some knowledge in KP system is better. Otherwise, they have to little bit knowledge in basic astrology also. Okay, so traditional astrology or KP astrology, minimum 3 to 4 month experience in basic astrology. This is 45 pre-recorded video and 15 live Zoom class we are given. The course fees is 7,500 rupees. Once you paid 7,500, immediately we send 45 numbers pre-recorded videos with study material. Each video is around 30 to 40 minutes duration. For more details, you visit our website www.astrodevaraj.com or kpastrologyclass.com. The Zoom classes will start from Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. Once the 7,500 is received, within 24 hours, 45 pre-recorded video with study material we will send immediately. Doubt clarification classes, already we told 45 minutes, 15 classes through Zoom meeting. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. Doubts clarify classes also recorded and uploaded in YouTube private link, and it will be sent to all students. The Google Pay number is 944572179 and Phone Pay number is 9382339084. For more detail, please contact these cell numbers and visit our website www.astrodevaraj.com or www.kpastrologyclass.com. The covering subject in this Zoom class, the subject is importance of Cuspal interlinks concept, principle and golden rule in Cuspal interlink, inner and outer bhava karagas, importance of potential for all bhavas, importance of Dasha buddhi, application of Cuspal interlink concept, birth time rectification and ruling planets, finance and money astrology, job and profession astrology, marriage astrology, education astrology, medical astrology, childbirth astrology, property astrology, timing of events astrology, share market astrology, foreign travel astrology and business astrology, and various horoscope analyzations, transit analysis, horary and prasanna prediction techniques. Those who are coming to our online class, please watch our English YouTube channel also. For more details, please call 9382339084. Our pre-recorded video will send through the YouTube private link, and the 15 live Zoom class, the student only can see this video. Lifelong they can see, it will not delete. For more clarification, please call